Have you ever noticed that when your life feels like it's spiraling out of control, you suddenly develop an intense, almost primal urge to scrub the kitchen floor or color code your bookshelf? To an outsider, it looks like a chore. To you, in that moment, it feels like survival. Why is it that the simple act of moving an object from point A to point B can quiet a screaming mind? The truth isn't that you're obsessed with neatness. The truth is that you are an architect of your own internal safety. We often dismiss cleaning as housework, but your brain sees it as a neurochemical reset. When you live in clutter, your visual cortex is under a constant state of low-grade siege. Every pile of unsorted mail and every stray shoe is a delayed decision. These are tiny open loops in your subconscious, whispering about unfinished business. This constant noise spikes your cortisol, the stress hormone that keeps you on edge. But the moment you close one of those loops, the second you hear the click of a lid fitting onto a container, your brain rewards you with a hit of dopamine. It's the completion effect. You aren't just cleaning a room. You are literally lowering the chemical volume of your anxiety. You are telling your nervous system, the environment is predictable, you are safe now. Let's be honest, the world is chaotic. You cannot control the economy, the weather, or the moods of the people you work with. This lack of agency is exhausting. But your desk, your closet, those are sovereign territories. Organizing is a form of proactive coping. By imposing order on the physical world, you provide your brain with a tangible victory. It's a feedback loop. If I can fix this drawer, I can fix my day. It's not about being a perfectionist. It's about reclaiming your power in a world that feels powerless. There is a deeper, more emotional layer to this. Our possessions are often just physical anchors for our memories and identities. That sweater you haven't worn in 5 years? It's not just wool. It's a version of you that you're afraid to let go of. This is why decluttering can feel so heavy, or even bring us to tears. When you decide to discard or donate, you aren't just throwing things away. You are performing a ritual of transformation. You are deciding which parts of your past deserve a seat in your future. Every empty space you create on a shelf is an invitation for something new to enter your life. It is the ultimate act of self-trust, the belief that you are enough, even without the stuff to back you up. For those who find sitting in silence impossible, organizing is meditation in motion. The rhythmic sweep of a broom, the tactile sensation of folding fabric. These are grounding techniques. They pull you out of the abstract worries of tomorrow and anchor you into the now of the physical world. It's a way to find Zen without ever crossing your legs on a yoga mat. So, the next time you feel the urge to tidy up, don't apologize for it. Don't call it a distraction or procrastinating. Recognize it for what it truly is, a sophisticated tool for mental health. Your home is a mirror. If the reflection is blurry, don't judge it. Just start small. One drawer, one shelf, one decision. Because peace isn't a destination you arrive at. It's a sanctuary you build, one object at a time. What is the one space in your home that changes your mood the moment it's clean? Tell me in the comments. Let's talk about the psychology of our spaces. And if you're ready to master the habits that master your mind, hit subscribe. Let's build a clearer world together.